Today we will cover some basics of linear algebra, which is relevant to this course. And before going into the lecture, let's talk about some of the administrative details. So regarding office hours, I will highly encourage you to use those hours if you have any questions, any concerns regarding the course. And I will also recommend you, if you're going to visit, then just write an email for a prior appointment, because I don't want you to be waiting in the wait room, because there are too many students. So if you just write me an email, I will give you a slot so that you don't have to wait. And that's my email ID which you can use, and that's the email ID for the TA if you want to talk to him. And office hours for him are different. So the other thing was, I think I also made an announcement regarding that. So the office hours for the TA and office hours for me both will have the same Zoom link. So you can use just that. And I think we will be hosting both the meetings using that. So I have released homework 0, and this was like a requirement. This was an administrative requirement, and it's due Friday. So it won't take you long to finish this. So try to finish this before the deadline. And because of this, we will not release any homework this week, but we will release a homework next Thursday, which will contain questions from all the 4 lectures. So last lecture, this lecture, and the 2 lectures we will cover next week. And yeah, so this will release next Thursday. Before we begin, are there any questions?